Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Ford Super Duty. We changed the body control module, which is this one. It's located there on the corner. Please, when you change it, always on this particular car, let me show you which one is. I use Ford Scan to do it, and you see here, this is the car, and it's okay. It's reading all the information. I was able to do the as-built data programming, but when I come to, do the part system, it require to do the parameter reset. You must have two keys. So when I say okay, let me do it here, I was not able to do the part system. You cannot do it with the car running unless you have two keys, parameter reset. You see here, if you want to do parameter reset, here he asks you number of the key already is 2. But if you want to do parameter reset, you must have 2 keys before you do parameter reset. If you don't have 2 keys, please try to get not aftermarket key, get something legit. Because if you try to do aftermarket key or a key that you generated from, like you generate a key from VVDI or those super chip, it may not work. Get something original so that you can add a key, and you must have 2 keys before you do the parameter reset. I did the programming. Yes, it worked fine, as you see. I use this one here, and I was able to read, let me cancel this. I was able to read as-built data. You see, like here, I come to body control module, and I did connect or run the service. Here it will read the configuration and everything. It will read it for you here. If you want to save it, you can save it, and then later on you can write it back into the car. If you want to load factory, you're going to load factory. If you want you have something on the file, you can load it. But this one here is after I read this one from the old one, and I write it back, which is working fine. And this is a lot of, it's not like short one. So if you have I believe it's done. There is nothing more than that. But this is one of the functions that it work fine. I did it. This car, the parking light doesn't work. You see the parking light doesn't work with that one. So just because the parking light is not working, you have to change the whole body control module. That piece has to be replaced and programmed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.